going back to your question, I think is the acceptance of failure, the acceptance of losing patients, because it's death is part of our life. It's the end of it. And you need to definitely protect yourself or prepare yourself psychologically to those failures. But at the same time, and I think we may talk about this later, the important thing about the failure is how you learn about it and what you want to do about it. The same, of course, in industry. At a different scale, of course, you are more detached from the emotional direct contact with the patient and their families. But if a certain company or a certain department or ourselves are heavily invested financially and also in terms of effort into a given molecule that may or may not become a drug, and then when it comes to that late stage of the clinical trial, you see that the results were not what you expected. That is also a big failure, because if you think about it, it means that many people put their hopes, as we did, in the development of that drug to have a better outcome for that disease, a better symptom improvement, whatever, and it didn't work. So I think the way of being grounded again and say, okay, this is part of the game.